I need to get these cuttings in as quickly as I can because they're already starting to wilt. Short cuttings tend to work better. Cutting them below where there was a leaf joint, like that. You can use little snips if you don't want to use a knife. Just taking off those little stumpy bits where the leaves were. I shall take that leaf off. And this one here, that is going to lose so much moisture. I'm just going to roll it up. I'm actually going to cut it in half like that. I've put some multi-purpose compost in and I've mixed a little bit of vermiculite. That just helps with drainage and gets air down into the compost, which is important for the rooting process. So make a hole about 1.5 inches, 2 inches deep, and I shall put 4 around the edge of this pot. Because once they do root, if they root, because there's no guarantee they will, normally you would do them a little bit later when they're slightly firmer, a little bit more ripe. I've got nothing to lose, of course, because they were going to go on the compost heap. So they can be given a drink of water. I'm going to put those on my propagator bench, which is damp sand, and I might just put a little bit of fleece over just to stop the sun getting to them so that they don't dry out anymore. And fingers crossed, we might get some roots, and if one grows, that's it. That's all we need. So there you go. Always worth a go.